Hi, I'm Stephen Dula. I'm here at Dula Construction in Charlotte, North Carolina. We specialize in exterior siding. We serve the Atlanta, Columbia, Charlotte, Greensboro markets. So family owned and operated. Started in 1978 by my parents. I'm second generation, 50 plus years in the industry. So we have a tremendous amount of growth in Waxhaw, North Carolina. And Eastwood Homes has a community called Wren Creek. And that's where we're going to be going today to see some DUO-SIL Ultra applied. We've been using the original DUO-SIL for 30 years. The confidence that we had in the original DUO-SIL product line gave us the confidence that when they came to the table to formulate a caulking specifically for fiber cement, that it would perform. So with the DUO-SIL Ultra, what we have found is that it has great color retention for the match to Hardy Color Plus. It has the ability to be washed and come clean. The UV stability seems to be stellar. I can go back to a home 5 years later and the bead of caulk still looks as the day I applied it. The plastic cartridges, the plastic tubes, the nozzles that you can replace without losing the entire tube to an afternoon rainstorm or thunderstorm. Is I feel like it was formulated specifically for siding. Wasn't formulated for roofing, wasn't formulated for other use. It was specifically formulated for my industry, siding. Overall, just a stellar product in comparison to competitors. I have not had a single callback on DUO-SIL Ultra, and we had many callbacks on competitor brands. DUO-SIL Ultra is able to keep up with the market demand. The availability of the product means completing the jobs on time. Being a production-based, volume-driven company, we return that value back to the customer, to the homeowner. For others that are using a competitor brand, I would recommend DUO-SIL Ultra. Just the overall gunability, the color match, the stability of the color, and just overall the reliability of the product. I am sincerely looking forward to a continued relationship with Bostik and the phenomenal job that they do with all their sealants. I have all the confidence in the world that the DUO-SIL Ultra for the fiber cement products is absolutely the way to go, and we'll continue that direction.